Nathan.
So me I tell lie? Alright. Tell them about the something them we have then.
You see me meet up with Cardi B?
Alright, me I go cut out this up. Tell them about the car them we have.
What me have?
Yeah.
Which
But you
car me-
can't drive them till they reach 18.
God.
Guys,
One man
let me
can't
tell you
drive,
guys.
so. What's up guys, I don't know, so it's a girl CECE and today they are back with the next promotion guys. Today I want to go over life of Lula doll. Like, share, comment and subscribe. Subscribe please, me I beg you guys, just show her some love. Make sure you know say CECE and Nathan send him now. I know I'm not gonna do that for you, me I beg you please guys. As you see the video just pop up, just go down in the description, click our link, subscribe, watch a couple of video them and come back. Nathan just try to prank me a while ago guys, so I want you to watch it, like, share, comment and subscribe. Please remember, go over Lula, make sure you say CECE and Nathan send them love the whole of you.
What's up guys? You don't know it's your boy Nathan guys, and as you can see in the title guys, me see the prank here go run on YouTube and me decide say yo, me I go try pull it off on CECE, you see me? So what me I go do, me I go tell her say yo, we are gonna do on me I go tell her say yo, we are gonna do on story time, you see me, and then me I go prank her. You go tell BLI in front of her for sketch her reaction guys, so just like, share, comment and subscribe guys. We don't want to stay too long, you see me? Cause you don't know so she did this, so guys. Just like, share, comment and subscribe. You see me? You don't know your boy Nathan at the bad prank them, you see me? What's up guys? You don't know it's your boy Nathan.
And the girl CECE.
Yeah guys, and as you can see by the title guys, we're there with a story time guys, you see me? Yeah, so we just have a talk a little bit about where we are come from and some good things that happen in the relationship from back then them time. The guys, so I want you to just like, share, comment and subscribe. You see me? Your girl CECE over there so look speechless. We don't know what I want to her. Yeah guys, so me I go just head straight into the video guys. You see me? Some just like, share, comment and subscribe. Turn on the post notification bell and
Please remember to watch the ads guys.
yeah guys,
Put
and
the post
follow.
notification bell on all,
Yeah.
because YouTube I get strict right now guys, so
If you don't have on all, you probably not get the notification.
That's why
none at all.
sometimes someone won't get the notification when we put post that video.
Yeah guys, so make sure you have it on all
Yeah.
and follow it on Instagram. The link
CECE
them in the
Nathan,
description guys.
Nathan underscore CECE.
Follow my music page guys, me I tell you. Yo, me I
One bad song to drop.
you go now and look a
CECE
piece.
has to shout out
One look a piece in the video.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna subscribe to the page guys, you see me? Alright, so
Anyway, you see me something.
right now we're gonna just head straight into the video guys. So stay tuned, watch the full video.
Yes guys.
So CECE, tell them what's up. Tell them where we are coming from B.
We are coming from afar. We are coming from far.
Yeah.
Far.
For everybody are fighting.
Yeah.
But you have to tell them the good things, then tell them all. One time we got what your place name?
Well,
Place of foreign. You don't know that when we got one place of foreign man. You remember?
oh yeah.
Yeah.
For two.
Guys, me I tell you, when time we got this up. Yo, me I tell you guys, this is nice.
For two.
Oh, a first class flight we I get guys, you see me? People just a walk come give me things so guys. Every minute them a say, yo, what you want? Big menu, lobster, and then thing the guys, you see me?
Yeah guys.
Yeah. Be a people around and I say, yes.
Fond of CECE and Nathan and so and so.
Yeah.
Yeah guys. And
Yeah guys, you see
Yeah.
me? So I do you think guys, a whole heap of things we go through. And one next time when we got England, guys, but me I tell you say England whole guys. And that's why me no want to go back there so guys. But me I tell you say when you go to England, the thing up. All camel we are ride. When we go a certain place. When place the name when we go and we ride the camel them?
I not remember tell them. I not remember.
You have to tell them. Tell them the time.
I don't remember the name.
Tell them the time when you're going at this something there.
Something.
Lamborghini.
Which Lamborghini later we are talk about?
Virgin stop going like you know remember I'm in front of the camera with you know. People. Me have to go cut out this out. What you mean which Lamborghini? Alright, ready. Me have to cut out. Yeah guys, and me I tell you say when time CECE in the Lamborghini. The first day she go and the whole day I want to see her cock up in there. Next day,
yeah, put on dashboard, guys.
Next day I sitting there, she in a no Bugatti. Me I say no sir. I be things that go on. CECE go on one club. And me see her today. I want to see her. She gone over. I don't know say she and Cardi B them me see. Me I say what? I saw CECE thing up. Me I say, tell them no be. And stop, tell them. I like CECE and I like
I
it.
told lie, Nathan.
So me I tell lie? Alright. Tell them about the something them we have then.
You see me meet up with Cardi B?
Alright, me I go cut out this up. Tell them about the car them we have.
What me have?
Yeah.
Which
But you
car?
can't drive them till they reach 18.
God.
Guys,
One
let me
man
tell you
can't
guys. Guys, CECE have 3 cars, guys, but she can't drive them because she not reach the age yet, you see me? Yeah. And me I drive 2 of them and the other one, the Porsche, that one Porsche one, me drive the Range Rover sometime. And when Biggie CECE if you drive, she crash it. And I fear her own car, she can't drive none at all, guys. Tell them what make you crash. What do you happen?
The reason why I made it crash, guys, because Nathan is too lie. He might tell too much lie. Me and Cardi B na meet up. Me nah no trick ya. Nathan. Me can't do this with them and I too lie. If you lie to the people, them have to tell the people them the truth, Virgin, the truth them want to know. Yeah, tell them me and Cardi B, they don't even know what Cardi B look. Upon picture, I don't know if Cardi B. What's 3 car? Me if you're going to get money to buy 3 car.
I tell you, not where you buy the car them where your father left for you.
Lord Jesus.
All your house pan the big 4-story.
Nathan, stop me now.
Me not tell no lie. Tell them, you tell them everything. And say every week you go for it. And then
say too, like, you feel like you support
everything, guys, me not tell no lie. Me don't know why. See, it's like she want to hide it from uno guys, but me don't know how. But me I tell her straight, say she have them things for
Nathan,
real.
stop telling lie, no man.
Do not touch me.
My father left no house on the hill, Virgin.
Of course.
My father left no car. My
Guys,
father
probably
car.
she afraid I don't want to know. You see me?
You too lie.
Probably she afraid I know. See, you know much part out of this I go cut out. Pick up your face, man. And come.
Boy, I mean, nobody somebody lie, so.
Alright. Tell them about all one time when you gone grandmarket and wait. And you gone left me. She gone left me, guys. Me I tell her say. And it's me never know when she there, but you see through the helicopter, our helicopter and a guy pick her up and she couldn't find me, but you see through the GPS, guys, yeah. The helicopter have GPS up. Then track me down, guys. Track me down, fly the helicopter. When them park over one battlefield, then go park. They call this place and one time
Like I feel like say me can't do this video no more. You're too lying, man. You're too lying. You see me follow
Come,
them to
alright,
take care
sorry,
of me?
alright, come.
You me ever make Cardi
Come
B
on,
yet?
take time, dog.
You don't tell too much
Come
freaking
on, man.
lie, man. You see them want in front of the
Alright.
camera, in front of the people that tell be a lie.
Come, let me. Never go start.
Virgin, just let me know if you are going to do the right thing. Come in a joke today.
Come on, man, and stop getting miserable.
You is too friggin' like you feel like to the people them where help you support the team. Before I tell the people them this honest truth. Watch him, you
So
don't
no, it's
dry
true.
eye with it too. No, way too fucking lie.
Stop going, someone. Guys. Guys. CECE, alright, I can't tell you exactly what I want. She afraid to talk to you.
You come
She
back
have
again.
so and so. Easy no? Just be. She afraid to talk to you, she have so and so, guys. You see me? So that's why she want to keep it as a secret, you see me, to herself. But me not afraid, because nobody now will come rob no her so. Yeah. CECE in a guys, may I tell you something, CECE have about 3 different bank accounts. 3. She has 4 million in one, where her father left for her. She have one with empty and she have one with about 6 million. May I tell you guys, CECE have money, whole heap of money. Yeah. I'm telling you straight up, guys. So, she now tell them to be.
Nathan just easy and do it. We can't uphold with the online. So
Tell them. One time, let me tell you. One time, some four girls, you know, in the river. And then take off them clothes and something, and some man thief them money and then phone them. You know, say, CECE buy, give the whole of them 50 grand each. 50 grand. And CECE buy the whole of them iPhone X, you know.
I mean, there's
The
a
four of them.
iPhone. You're too
Because you them time they are saying no want an
just stop the
iPhone.
fucking. Just stop the fooling.
Because stop cause bad
Just
word.
stop the fooling. We can't uphold with you and you lie. You're too lie. You is too lie, be. Oh, you lie, man. You never know say you say a lie in a virgin. You come in front the camera where you go on YouTube and you tell be a lie.
Me not be just start tell me say no want to talk.
Nathan, me not do that.
You better you tell me straight say no want to talk them so more than you talk about me.
Friend, you know, you say we are going to do a story time. I come and start tell be a lie to people. Be a lie. Oh, my father left 3K. Oh, me see Cardi B. Oh, how much in account me have. You can stop the foolishness, B. Stop. You're too lie. You're too lie if you talk the truth.
As we can see, you know me notice you come like a coward or something. You don't want to tell the people them say yo, you have that and have that. And she don't love you no guys. Cause if she didn't love you no, she would have telling you, yeah, how her lifestyle go on so. See a camel she a ride and them thing the guys. Plane, first class flight, private jet, yacht, out of sea she a float for me I tell you guys. You see me? Space. One time I see CECE go up on the moon. Wait. Come here, come here. Come here. Come here now.
Just go on, you think that man, go on tell the people them be a lie.
Come, I joke. Come here, a prank. A prank. And that's why you see just so one time we go for the prank. We go for image there and Dolly video. And you see which prank that then do. And I didn't want to tell them. Yeah, me see it. So that's why I'm saying, yes, me I go bust it for you. Come here, B.
Go on, man, let's go on, man. I'm head at me.
Come here, now. And stop going to.
Shut your man. What's up?
Tell the people them say, oh, you have them there for real.
You tell him, see if you have a come back.
Guys, CC have them and no one talk. Alright, we done a prank. Guys, a simple prank, but you see it, we still catch her. You see what she a go on? I just forget her reaction, guys. You see me? And I did get her reaction. So you don't know say Team Nathan. Guys, you see me? Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Make sure you turn on the post notification bell, guys. Follow us on Instagram. Subscribe to my other page, guys. You see me? Yeah. And guys, you know what say CC and Nathan love you. So, I want to just continue support with guys because we appreciate that. Yeah guys. And you can't see me catch up with CC. You go share with me. No fire, who like? What's up? Teamwork. Teamwork.
Team CC.
You know?
What do you mean by Bill?
Teamwork. You have to say teamwork. 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 You know what two and three?
You two and
Teamwork.
you ever tell me teamwork?
Because you don't ask me.
So me not have to ask you.
Teamwork.
No.
Alright.
CC.